I request all of you to kindly be seated. Miss Ibalini Karbadi, our principal, Father Leo Yalwar, our headmaster, Father Edmund Carsentil, our headman, Saleki Shalom, Sister Valerie, Sister Justina, all the invitees and guests, teachers, and to all my dear students. Welcome to the closing ceremony of our School Week 2022. First of all, I would like to extend my gratitude to the Sport Committee.
Last but not the least, I welcomed and thanked all the teachers and the students for taking a keen part of every kind of functions in this school week.
This beautiful day, we just want to say that we are here today to welcome you on this beautiful day. We just want to say that we are here today to welcome you. That's why we on this beautiful day.
This circle, kibala one pynkut muram ya kikana kibupas bha menta usnem arhajar arpuar naga school kajongi ki class 10 kibela matric bakumju kikana kibela class 12 agasin kabanin kong kublai sibun ya ki member jongka FKKGP wala ki habya mare ki dan sabipat ki program ya ai kublai kerteng jongka school ai kublai ya ka jing no senyang ga jongpi kham tame ban pen shilur ya ki khana school gi jongi banya chakmat hakapode kadang le ngayo yau blai ubala kerku kerdo yangi hakani katayau baro sitayau ngi hilayo ban participate ya kani ka school week klem kanu ga jing penthut jong uslap ubala kini ki banai ki baladap hau banai bala dap ngi ke jing jur jong uslap kabaman naga sumi Raymond sa shitayau klandon kanu ga jing thut pilala ban pendap ya kani ka school week kabangila pli mens nginang kong balawan pli dai ba lum kamai nang ta ngila beteng hadu menin ki hadu mentaga sengi ngidon ki program ki beper ngai ke jing kublai ro ya I father headmaster jongi I father Edmund Carsentil I ba lala ban organize lang rengkat bat kinong hikai ki balaya tray shitom nakabenta ban organize ya kini ke program mo ka ba nasarai ka dai ngai ke jing kublai ro ikinong hikai ki bala tray shitom kam da nyau kerteng yano makam tame ya ki organizer sar barksiar bat kus kiba la organize ya kani ka program dai maki ki main organizer ban penlong ya kani ka program ka ba job mai kublai ki sister baro armut kiba la pelam ya ka discipline bat ya phi kinong hikai pagumju ya phi baro ki khana school hagajing ya le hagano ka jing ya khun don ki ba job don ru ki baram
Ipo marala bungaling di okay. Hey, tapi mari pindah maai. Rada you pindah kata, we fall in love again. Ooh, hey, but they jangan you look the oh boy, jangan limit kamu. If I should see ya, would you be on your way now? If I showed you feelings, would you take on me? see you begging.
House and the red house is about to begin. So are you ready, green house? Red house? Come on, cheers for your team. Come on, cheers for your team. Green house, I'm up. I'm up. I'm up. Red house, please. Singing competition. First goes to Sophia Nongspoong from the yellow house. Second goes to Josephina Sok Ha from the yellow house. Third goes to Maxilino Sok Ha from the yellow house. Thank you so much, sir. Now I would like to call run. Second goes to Greedy Lynching from the red house. Third goes to Lisha Omba from the yellow house. Goes to Banya Rilang Mukti from the green house. To Yarda Mensong from the blue house.
One kalay.
Mare, run. Spelling bee, Tiartires Omba from the yellow house. Second goes to Christopher Sopha from the red house. Third goes to Amandus Kraubok Martin from the blue house. The house that scored the second place is the red house with 442 points. Captain of red house, you are requested to come to the podium. Who is the winner? Who is the winner?
Student of St Vianney School, raise up with voice. An institution mixed up with girls' own voice. No voice
The sports secretary will hand over the flag to the principal of our school. Our chief guest will give to the sports secretary, and the sports secretary will hand over the flag to our principal.
ในดำเนินการล้างหากันในสกูลก็จงพีกับเซนต์เวียนีสกูลทางในหาUmsohlaitง่ายคุบเลยเชฟเปอร์สันอีเวลาปัญญาอยากเนี่ยกับจิงลังกับบะมันตาหากันในกับจานเมียกับบะมันตาคุบเลยชิบุนกองคุบเลยกับจิงสุกคนดำเนินการประกาศยิงกับแซมกับจงพีง่ายคุบเลยกีฟาดาร์บราอาร์มุดคุบเลยชาจาร์กุอยากกับจิงขัดสกบากับจงพียังไงหากันในกับโนภัยสกีกับปั๊มดังนี้กันลันโรเงียงเบียงใส่ชิเซนขันเดียดmasuk kuat ban pensengal wapi ngambat ya kapor handai ngai ba hakne ga school ke jongpi ki khana school ki babon ngampoi perkhat padar bakin don kat nei khana school handai ngai ta ka building ka don tang artli kam dei ka building ba artli ni tang ka wei ka building handai kat kini khana school ki don hang ne lai don kam ban ong ban ladang apoi show thong jong ka jing job lai don kam ban ong ban pen kiu piang ni ka ne ka school ka jongpi ban wan ra ki development lane ki building ki paper namun ba jong pi khana school hoi license lai handai nganom du jingerman wala license lai wat pi ki khana school ru haba pikalan pi dei ban yeng na ka wei ka por ban poi show thong jong ka jing job chakliar jong ulum ban pin ban ra ya ka nam bat ka buram jong ka yeng ka sem bat ka ri ka jai ban reu kham tam ya ka ne ka school ka jong pi ai khoblei sai sin ya ka mission jang balang ka thalik padar la kam don ka ne ka mission ka jong phi hang ne na thrai ngi ki nong shong snong jang ka bawati ngi de dang ki baduk ngi myo ban le school sekti ki school ki ba rem dor ndai ka jing don ka jong phi ka de ka jing kur khu na ban taw nong shong snong jang ka ma hati hi bro ka wai
ha ka jing le kai jong isa district level ngi yo ka chiting la yo kerki te ngimla ban screening bhai ya ki khna jongi wat lada kataro ka final ni henry ni klem la ban mon ra yo thong ga jim ga jing job henry ni la poi pade shodu thong jong ka final
To Pai, who got third place in essay writing competition block level, I request our headmaster, Father Edmund Carson to give away the prizes to our student. No isang
Stop. Hãy subscribe cho kênh Ghiền Mì Gõ để không bỏ lỡ